This three-piece Rubik's gift set is nostalgic of the original Rubik's Cube. There are three fidget puzzle toys of different shapes, so if you get bored with one, you can move on to the next. Let's take a look at each one. First is a rainbow ball with 12 holes and 11 colorful small balls inside, plus a sponge in the 12th hole. When you press down on the sponge, it allows the other balls to slide from one slot to another. To make a game out of it, you need to match all 11 balls to their corresponding colored rings. Next, we have a magic star spinner. You can use it purely as a fidget toy, or you can try and mix it up and then return the colors to their rightful positions. Just like a regular Rubik's Cube, you can turn and rotate an entire row at a time, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Next, we have a magic star puzzle where you can reshape the star into a cube and then back again into a star. Each of these puzzles are fun to solve and keeps your mind active. Each toy is very lightweight with smooth surfaces, which is nice to touch. And all three puzzles are durable, so even if you drop the toy, it will not break apart. They make great gifts and can provide mindless entertainment when you're waiting at the doctor's office, taking an afternoon stroll, or just watching TV at home.